Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the HomeOffice cast iron sitting bunny rabbit garden statue, a charming addition to any garden or home decor. Let's find out why this is considered one of the best cast iron rabbit statues available. The HomeOffice cast iron sitting bunny rabbit garden statue combines craftsmanship with functionality. Made from durable cast iron and sporting a rustic brown finish, it not only adds a touch of antique charm, but also serves as a practical doorstop, weighing in at 4.25 pounds. Whether you place it in your garden, on your patio, or even indoors, this rabbit statue promises to enhance any space with its whimsical appeal. Let's talk about its key features. Firstly, the cast iron construction ensures longevity and sturdiness, making it suitable for outdoor use in various weather conditions. The rustic brown finish gives it an authentic antique look, perfect for those who appreciate classic aesthetics. One of the standout benefits of this statue is its versatility. Beyond its decorative charm, it functions as a doorstop, adding both style and practicality to your living space. It's a conversation starter, guaranteed to delight guests and passers-by alike. You can place the sitting bunny rabbit statue anywhere you desire, whether that's at your doorstep greeting visitors or nestled among your plants in the garden. Its freestanding design means you can easily move it around to suit different seasons or occasions. In conclusion, the HomeOffice cast iron sitting bunny rabbit garden statue is a top choice for anyone looking to add a touch of whimsy and functionality to their outdoor or indoor spaces. With its durable construction, antique appeal, and practical use as a doorstop, it's easy to see why this is considered one of the best in its category. That wraps up our review of the HomeOffice cast iron sitting bunny rabbit garden statue. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy decorating!